Hello friends, today I am going to explain you chapter 10 Microbes in Human Welfare part 1 based on NCERT. But before explanation, I remind you, please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. In this chapter, that is Microbes in Human Welfare. So we have to discuss about the microbes. Those are very useful and helpful for the human welfare. But before that, what are the microbes or microorganism? That you know in a better way. That microbes or microorganism include different forms like archaebacteria. Archaebacteria is also known as ancient bacteria. These are those bacteria which are present in the harsh conditions like halophiles. They are present in the salinity, and thermoacidophiles. These are present in the high temperature, and methanogens. Some are producing methane gas. So these are microorganisms present in the harsh conditions known as archaebacteria. Some bacteria is also there, cyanobacteria, blue green algae that are also used as a fertilizer, microalgae, microfungi, viruses and protozoa. They are present everywhere: soil, water, air, inside our bodies and of other animals and plants. Microbes can be classified into two categories. Basically, they are classified into two categories, like beneficial microbes and the harmful microbes. Microbial process have been used by human since prehistoric times in the preparation of food, drink and textiles. So that we have to discuss about the microbes in household product. Several household products are derived from the microbes. We use microbes or their product derived from them used in our daily life. Some of the products of microbes are like dairy product. Milk contains millions of lactic acid bacteria. Following products are obtained from milk, like curd. Curd we have to use daily in our home, like that is obtained from the milk, and milk is converted into curd with the help of lactobacillus acidophilus. This is the bacterial name, at a temperature of about 40 degrees centigrade. This bacteria is also known as lab, lactic acid bacteria. It also checks the growth of disease causing microbes. It means if you are taking curd, that will stop the microbes which are disease causing, that check the growth of those microbes. Another one important product is yogurt. Yogurt is fermented curd from which whey has been removed. Whey is a water of curd. It is produced from milk with the help of lactobacillus bulgaricus. The another one product is very famous, that is cheese. Cheese is partially degraded concentrate of milk fat and protein. Casein is the milk protein manufactured by the activity of microorganism. There are different types of cheese, like cottage cheese is prepared by using inoculum of lactobacillus. Swiss cheese is prepared with the help of bacterium named Propionibacterium shermani. Another one very important cheese known as Roquefort cheese. Roquefort cheese is a greenish blue mottling due to the presence of a specific fungi, Penicillium roqueforti. That's why it is known as Roquefort cheese, and it is probably the best known cheese made from sheep's milk. The another one very useful product which is used in our daily life, that is bread. Bread is manufactured with the help of yeast. The yeast name is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, is used in making of bread, also known as baker's yeast. A small quantity of yeast is added to wheat flour. Flour is kneaded and left for few hours. It swells up. This process is known as leavening, and yeast is secreted several enzymes. Basically there are three types of enzymes, that is amylase, breakdown of starch into maltose sugar, and maltase. The second one is maltase that convert maltose into glucose. And the third one is gymase. Gymase is a complex of enzymes of anaerobic respiration which brings about fermentation, which forms ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. Both carbon dioxide and ethyl alcohol evaporates and making the bread porous and soft. Other food which are derived from the uh, microorganisms like dosa, upma, idli are fermented food made from rice and black gram. Tofu are fermented food obtained from the soya bean. So these are the microbes which are used in the production of household product and that are very useful for the human beings. This in this slide you have seen several types of microbes are shown, that is fungal colony, green color fungal colony, and hexagonal, that is a bacteriophage, and this structure is made up of protein. Several bacteria and their flagella have shown in this slide. So this is the basically the structures of the microbes, but the microbes cannot be seen through your naked eyes. They can be seen only under the microscope, and these microbes are very helpful in the human for the human, so that these are shown in this slide. The next one is a microbes in industrial product. These are produce the activity of yeast, and yeast like microorganism. Yeast have been produced beverages like wine, beer, whiskey, brandy, or rum. So that these are produced in the industrial scales, in the fermenters, so that they have to use for big fermenters where the fermented beverages are produced. These are vessel like big fermenters. So basically yeast is used in producing these industrial products, that is the fermenters and the fermentation plant where we have to produce the fermented beverages by the using of microbes. Basically in the making of fermented beverages, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly called brewer's yeast, and used in the fermenting malted cereals and fruit juices to produce ethanol. The nutrient medium is barley malt for beer, fermented rye malt for gin, and fermented rice for shake, and cashew apple for feni, potato for vodka, fermented cereals for whiskey, and fermented molasses for rum, the fermented juices for wines and brandy. So there are different names I am telling you. Those are beverages, fermented beverages, and made with the help of Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is also called brewer's yeast. So these microbes are making these products, and these are the industrial product, so that these are used uh, with the help of these microbes only possible to make these fermented beverages. Some of the questions of NCERT I have discussed to you, that is give examples to prove that microbes release gases during metabolism, and in which food would you find lab. Mention some of their useful applications, and what are the microbes are used in the household product. that also you have to done at your home. How you have to make the bread, which microorganism is used in making of bread, and some other foods. This is all about the topic microbes in household product of the chapter microbes in human welfare. Thank you, all of you, student.